The 2015 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, stability control, keyless entry, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, 4-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel drive, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, fog lights, CD player, bucket seats, power door locks, MP3 player, child safety locks, passenger airbag, trip computer, security system. Come see the car for yourself.